So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you are going to be using P2P trading to make up to $10 daily on a daily basis. How you are going to be using P2P trading to make how much? $10 on a daily basis. I know you are shocked. So if you like videos on crypto and you are interested in crypto, maybe you are a beginner or you have been in crypto, just subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm dropping hot videos that will actually help you to understand and gain mastery in crypto trading. So we are going to be learning how you will be able to make up to $10 every day, every single day, trading P2P on Bybit and any other crypto exchange. You can also implement this method. So let's go over to our Bybit. Click on Bybit. So guys, right here on Bybit, the next thing for you to do is to go to P2P trading. See P2P trading up there. Click on P2P trading and then you wait for it to load. Now I'll explain all this message that they used to send. Alright, so in this P2P trading, you can see all these ads that you are seeing here. We are not eligible to buy from them. You can see ineligible. All these ads, we are not eligible to buy for them. So we have to filter this ad. Right? We have to actually filter this ad, and you click on filter here. You can see it over there to filter this ad. So we click on it. Now in this filter, we are going to tick show only eligible ads. We are not going to tick show only verified advertisers. The reason is because in this method of trading, we want to buy at a low cost and then we sell it high. Just under 10 minutes, we want to buy at a very low cost and then we sell it high. We are not going to be ticking show only verified advertisers because verified advertisers, their cost and their rate used to be very high. So we are going to click on show only eligible ads. So we click confirm. Alright, so you can see for all these ads that you are eligible to buy, you can see their rate is 1,700, within the range of 1,700. So let's assume that you have 50,000 naira to buy and then you want to buy from any of these persons. I advise you to buy from someone that have a good number of completion rate, right? Up to 1,000 and above, 3,000 and stuff like that. So we can actually buy from some of these guys that have good number of completion rates, right? You can actually buy from some of them. So we can buy from these guys. You can buy from these guys. See this one, for instance, you can buy from this guy. I have completed a good number of order. Up to 3,085 orders he tried. So we can buy from this guy. Now we have to note how much was the rate we are buying. So this is the rate. You are buying at the rate of 1,710 naira. Okay, let's say 1,711 naira because you're having 0.99. So we're buying at 1,711 naira. So, and remember we are using 15,000 to buy. So after you have bought the coin now, we now come to sell. Come to P2P again, then click on sell. We are waiting for sell to load. Okay, now when you come to sell, you see that there's a big difference between buy and sell. In buying, we are buying at the rate of 1,700 within that range. In selling, we are selling at the rate of 1,800 within the range of 800. This one self is far because we are having 1,843, but in buying we are having 1,707, 1,706, right? So you can actually leverage on this and make your money. So you can see all these guys, their own is in thousands. Like this guy now, his own is in millions rather. So we want to check the ones that are within our capacity. Remember, we're having 50,000, so we have to check the ones that are within our power to sell to. Now this guy is good, right? See this guy is good. You can see him. This guy have completed a good number of orders, about 1,409 orders, and his completion rate is 99%. And the coin he has is selling between 5,000 to 20 million. So you can actually sell your 50,000. This guy wants to buy between the range of 5,000 to 20 million rather, and you can actually sell your 50,000 worth of coin to this guy. So let's go with this guy. You can actually trade with this one as well. You can see they are trying, so you can actually trade with this one. So let's go with this first guy. Remember, we bought at the rate of 1,711. Just imagine you are now selling at the rate of 1,837 naira. Do you know how much you are going to gain? So let's head over to our calculator and I'll show you how much you will gain. Just P2P. So we go to our calculator here. So we are using 50,000 to trade. We say 50,000 divided by how much was our buying rate? We bought at 1,711, right? So we are having, if you use 50,000 to buy coin at the rate of 1,711, we are going to be having 29.22 USDT. So we are having 29.22 USDT, 29.22 USDT, right? Now, if you are selling this 29.22 USDT at the rate of 1,837 naira, we say times 1,837 naira. How much are we gaining? We'll be having 53,677. Remember, what we used to buy at the initial stage was 50,000. Now, after we have sold the coin, we'll be having 53,677, which means there's an additional 3,677 to our money. So just within 10 minutes, you have gotten 3,677, and then you continue to do it like that. Just imagine how much you'll be able to get in one day. So this method is very simple, very simple. So if you have watched this video to the end and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're still waiting for. Kindly subscribe, because this is your #1 platform where crypto is made possible.